Today I will learn how to create this type of image which looks like so amazing time traveler's image in this Photoshop tutorial. Wait. If you're a new viewers, please subscribe to my channel for learning design ideas. Choose the image which you want to use for it. I choose this image which is person walking on path. Let's start now. Duplicate image. Choose quick selection tool and follow the process. Click on mask icon. Duplicate image. Select brush tool and select brush style. Download abstract smoke brush, link available in description. Create new layer, apply brush stroke and follow the process. Create new solid color layer and choose color. Mask layer. Select brush tool and follow the process. Now subject layer, move on top in layers. Deselect mask on subject layer. Press Ctrl and select layer for select layer content. Press Alt and click on mask icon. Duplicate background image layer. Click on mask icon and follow the process. Add image which you want to add in portal. Follow the process. Select brush tool and follow the process. Create new layer. Select brush tool, choose soft round brush and follow the process. Change blending mode to color. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.